Hi, this is the market outlook for the week starting Monday the 12th. We are now in August, lower trading volumes, more erratic moves sometimes, although with bots and algorithmic trading, the good old summer slumber that we had years ago may not apply anymore. So if we look at this short term, this is a 1 hour chart, and if I plot a fib, I could plot the fib from the all-time highs, but I'm going to plot it from this high and to the recent lows 2820. We see that on Friday, or was it Thursday, we hit almost exactly the fib resistance and attempt to test 2900. And if I was to look at a lower time frame, which would be more for scalpers and short-term swing traders, so I'm not going to go into that level of detail, but we saw a short-term trading range 2900, 2940, and the market will probably hesitate. And over a longer time frame, we saw that on the 1 hour chart, the market is turning south with a down signal. Here, the hesitation, but we also oversold that on this time frame, although we don't have an up signal or buy signal, it looks like this hesitation may see bulls attempting to go for 2950 or even to a strong resistance on 2970, 6570. At this point, it looks like returning to this upward channel or even to this trailing range above 2970 will be difficult. So the likely scenario is bumping. The range could actually expand. 2900 to 2940 is definitely too narrow in this current volatility. So maybe an attempt to go higher, but it looks like 2900 should be tested again for further ripples and probably a second down wave. It may take a while. I mean, this trading range, even with an extended range, could last for a week or so. As we see on the VIX, the backwardation has been kind of muted in the short term. Of course, August is going to expire this week, and there will be a spillover of volatility to September, which is a more important expiry, being quarterly. Surprisingly, December is lower. I mean, this is not a lot lower, but I mean, it's actually 1 full point, which is quite sizable. The volatility should flatten. We should see a lot more flatter, but still in overall backwardation. It's difficult to understand why this expiry has lower volatility. So this may be an anomaly of summer trading, and I assume that by end of the month there will be probably still some backwardation, flattish volatility, but something that makes more sense. For those who want to kind of arbitrage, there may be good opportunity to, for example, buy some calendars with the long on December and campaigning there. I mean, these are opportunities that look pretty easy, almost too easy, but those things do happen now and then. Right. If we look at where the market is this Monday morning, fairly stable, no weekend gap. There was a lot of selling at the close, so I would assume that this the same trading range. So fairly quiet on the surface and probably nervousness, so volatility underlying this environment. Some opportunity to sell premium for some, but I would say that it's important to stay cautious when the market turns into backwardation. Of course, as always, as mentioned earlier, the challenges and anomalies present opportunities to grasp. The next video will be on the current Rhino trade.